In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Elevenlabs for free. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you on how you can do this for free and legally. So first, you want to go into elevenlabs.io, and then once you're here in their website, you want to click here on try for free so that you'd be able to sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. But I suggest trying it for free or signing up for a new account in here so that you'd get a new set of credits. Once you're here, you want to create an account by providing your email or password, or you could sign up using your Google account, which is what I'm going to be doing. And now once you're here, you will now have this animation right here from Elevenlabs. You just need to follow this prompt. So I'm just going to go for dark. So just complete all of these personal questions right here. And now once you are done, you will now be prompted in here into the dashboard of Elevenlabs. And now from here, you can now actually use Elevenlabs for free just by signing up for an account. The reason why is that Elevenlabs actually has a free plan and a generous one at that. So basically, let's just go to the plans. So click here on our profile right here in the bottom left. And then from here, you can see the credits. So you have a free 10,000 credits in here. And now you can click here on upgrade. And then you'd be able to see the paid plans if you'd want to. But since we're doing this for free, we'll just be sticking with the free plan. So make sure that you monitor your credit usage while using the features here in Elevenlabs. Like for example, in here, I'm gonna now test something right here in the text to speech. So I'm gonna go and edit this. Let's say, hi, this is my sample tutorial for using Elevenlabs for free. And then from here, you can now choose the voice that you'd want. For example, let's go for Adam. And then the model right here. So I'm going to go for 11v3 because it is 80% cheaper, which means less credit usage. And then I'm going to select that. And now we have here the new model. So we can now select a voice right here. Let's go for Harry, for example. And here it is. It's now set to Harry, and click here on generate speech. All right. So now I have used it for free and this is the result. So let's play the first generation.
Hi. This is my sample tutorial for using Elevenlabs for free.
Generation 2.
Hi, this is my sample tutorial for using Elevenlabs for free.
And now you can now share that generation that you'd want. For example, this one right here, generation 2, which I like more. I'm going to click here on download. And as you can see, I will now be able to download it for free. And I have just used Elevenlabs for free right here. And that's basically it. So now let's refresh and see if our credits got deducted. And as you can see, it got deducted. And it's only 12 credits, which is really generous from Elevenlabs to give us 10,000 credits, even though this is just for free. So we could already make a lot of generations right here. And take note that it would also depend on the length that you are typing out right here. So if it's long, then there would be more credit usage. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.